kamusta po na ito yung parang comeback movie nyo after a long time, tama ba? Or
Sa movie, ano bang
Ano yung last-
All You Need Is Pag-ibig.
yeah.
Kami ni Jody.
Pero
ito,
mas ano eh.
yes, with Directonet also. Actually, yun ang first time nakatrabaho namin sa Directonet. And kami, bitin. Tapos, obviously, siya rin pala, bitin siya dun sa, kasi ang
Oo
dami
nga
stories.
eh, ang dami eh.
I'm just so happy.
Pero dito tutok talaga sa inyo yung story.
Ginawa niya na siguro kwento yung kaming tatlo.
So how was it po?
Really, really fun. Sobrang sarap. I mean, from the shooting to the promo, I mean, the three of us, I think we're a good team. Kasi nga, maganda yung chemistry namin tatlo. And yun nga, si Jody, may spark siya when she's with Richard. May spark siya when she's with me. So, ang ganda lang. Na-enjoy ko. Kasi nga, hindi naman everyday nakakita ka ng tao na gano'n. Na usually, pag meron silang chemistry, dalawa lang sila. It's si Jody. Talaga wala. She's amazing.
Did you imagine yourself na pagbalik niyo po sa industry ganito kainin yung pagtanggap sa inyo at your age ngayon?
Of course not. Even yung ginawa namin, Jody, yung pangako sa'yo, I really thought that, we were there to support DJ and Kat, who are very close to me also kasi parang ang mga anak ko na yun from Got to Believe, the show before that. So, when we did pangako sa'yo, I was thinking na sa una kami ni Jody, because parang kami yung parents, and then pagdating na nila, just, nandun lang naman kami to support.
Pero nag-bloom din
We
yung
were
love
surprised
niyo
na kinagat din nila, ang dami nagtatanong yun tungkol sa love story. Ang tawag namin yung love story na matatanda. So yun, I'm just so happy that they find it interesting. Kasi ako personally, I find it more interesting yung mature love because it's much more complicated than the I love you, you love me, we're both happy kind of thing. So